guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a daytime routine with you guys. Being 6 months pregnant, I'm just going to be bringing the camera along with me for the day and just showing you guys some things that I do. I don't really have a crazy day today. I don't really have much going on, but I do have like a lot of laundry to do. I have a lot of cleaning to do. I do want to go run some errands, so I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So I just woke up about 30 minutes ago and I already washed my face. So one thing I want to say is, since being pregnant, there's not a lot of skincare products that I could use. I'm honestly like afraid of everything, even things that I look up. Pregnancy already makes your skin so nice and glowy. I don't know what it is. So I don't really use much. So I just wash my face with a light face wash, and then I just use some Bright Boost serum. And then I'll just use my SPF. I just use this one. It's just a drugstore brand. It's the Cetaphil. It's a daily facial moisturizer with SPF 50. Ever since I learned like in school how crazy it is not to wear SPF, I'm so scared like to not wear it. I don't know what it is, but especially because I do have I have scars from having bad acne in my past, and they are dark. I don't know if you guys can tell right here. So I like to wear SPF to make sure that they don't get darker, like in the sun. I'm so out of breath. I feel like I can't talk anymore. I'm gonna go do some laundry, do some dishes, and just kind of clean a little bit. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me because I know a lot of people like cleaning videos. I actually like them myself. And then we'll go from there. I'm gonna do some dishes. So you can watch me do that. What? I usually throw them in the dishwasher, but I have clean ones in there that I have to take out. I'm just being lazy right now. So I'm gonna wash these by hand. Okay guys, so I just finished washing the dishes and I got really hungry. So I'm gonna make these burgers. So I've never had them before. So they're supposed to be like a veggie type of burger, like a plant-based. I just threw it in the oven. I really hope this is good because I'm starving. So it's not gonna be a crazy sandwich. I put it on wheat toast. Actually, I think this is whole grain. And I'm gonna just put some American cheese on there, which I usually like pepper jack and provolone and Swiss, but I don't have that right now. I really need to go grocery shopping. And then I'm gonna add some mayo on here. So I'm also gonna be adding some of this Chipotle, Southwest Chipotle Ranch. Crap, I'll just add it on here. So I know this is just like a little plain Jane sandwich, but this will hold me over. And that's it. So I'm gonna eat this off camera because I know a lot of people don't like watching people eat. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll be back. I just wanna show you guys that my crop tops are no longer my regular crop tops that I used to wear like this. They're now like this. This is like the craziest thing ever. But I will never stop wearing crop tops. I'm just gonna wear tank tops under if I need to, because it's just what I like. I finished cleaning the house and I had a little lunch, and I'm gonna put on just like a quick tinted moisturizer and leave the house. So I talked about this on my Instagram. I made an Instagram Reels video talking about the Smashbox Halo tinted moisturizer, and I'm in love with it. So if you wanted to go watch that video on my Instagram, I talk a little about it, but I'm just gonna put it on. So I'm about to leave my house to go grab I take vitamins and My doctor just called them in for me so I can go pick them up from the pharmacy. So when I first got pregnant, I got prescribed like a very high vitamin D, and I truly feel like it works so much. I feel like my body always needed that. I just noticed a big difference in my mood and like my energy and everything. I feel like it makes me feel so like good and energized and happy. I haven't taken them in like a week. I honestly feel like that's why I'm so like tired and weird and anxious today. Because when your body gets used to taking something for so long, something like really good, and then you just stop, you definitely will feel it, and I definitely felt it. So I'm gonna go pick those up, and then I need to go to Bath and Body Works because I desperately need house candles. Their candles are my favorite. I haven't gotten them since I lived at my condo, because now that my house is finally like coming together, I care about having like candles and stuff. Before I was like, it looks not that good anyway, so I don't care about having like candles and all that. But now I definitely care about what candles I have in my house. So I am gonna do my eyebrows a little. I have the thinnest eyebrows in the world, and it's so funny because I've had quite a few girls actually message me on my Instagram and say, where do you get your eyebrows done at? Who does your eyebrows? And I'm like, oh my God, that's like the last thing I thought I would ever get complimented on, because I've always had the worst eyebrows growing up, especially because in middle school, so in like elementary and middle school, I had good eyebrows until 8th grade. I went in the bathroom and I took some tweezers and I plucked my eyebrows like literally up to here. So like I took all this end off, so it was just like a big arch, and I thinned them out. I made them very thin, and they like literally took so long to grow back. So the ends grew back, but then my eyebrows just always stayed thin. So you can tell a huge difference from when I fill them in. This one is full and this one is just thin. You guys comment down below if you are pregnant and plan on getting ready when your water breaks. I think that I will freak out if I don't have time to get myself together before going to the hospital, because I just imagine being there for so long and just looking so rough. So when my sister's water broke, she was so calm the first time, like even with her first pregnancy. Her water broke and she went like downstairs and started painting her nails and her toes, and she was like so chill. She made her husband take her out to eat. Everyone just thought that was so funny, which makes me feel chill. Like it makes me feel like, okay, just when your water breaks, if your water breaks like that naturally, just be chill and go upstairs, put some makeup on. That's my plan. That's what I plan on doing. I hope that's how my experience is. So those are my brows for the day. Those are literally gonna stay on all day because this brow pencil is amazing. And then I'm just gonna take my NYX lip liner in London. I'm sure you guys could have guessed that. And I'm just gonna like not go crazy, but I just color them in. Put on some chapstick, my Vaseline Vanilla Cream Latte Lip Therapy. And then brush my hair. So today when I come home, I have my zipper like all the way up because my spray tan is getting all like old. So this one lasted me quite a while. It still looks good, but I do wanna wash it off because like over here, you guys, I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. I feel like I got bit, so don't mind that. But my spray tan lasted me a long time. I really loved this one. But you know, at the end of a spray tan, when it gets like weird and you know you have to scrub it off, I'm definitely there because this is from me washing my face so much, and then I always like go down. So I need to, when I come home today, I'm gonna shower and like scrub all this off and then give myself a fresh new spray tan. With spray tans, I talked to my doctor and a couple of my midwives, and they said that it was totally fine, especially with the one that I use. It's like not harmful. So in case anyone was gonna think anything, this is my look for the day and let's get going. Okay, so I just went and picked up my prescription from Meijer and I'm on my way to Bath and Body Works. I'm going to one that's kind of far away from my house, so it's kind of a drive. So when I get there, I will record and show you guys kind of like what I'm getting and all that stuff. So I will see you guys at Bath and Body Works. We are here. So I just left Bath and Body Works and I feel so accomplished because I've been wanting to go here for so long and buy like candles and stuff. So I'm so happy I just did that. I got a big old bag of stuff and I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. I'll show you guys what I got, but I'm gonna go meet up my cousin for some coffee right now. She's the one that actually does my lashes. Let me show you guys how amazing they are. But yeah, she has a little break in between clients, so I'm gonna go pick her up and we're gonna go get some coffee and then I will show you guys what I got when I get home. So now that I'm home, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works and I'm so excited. So this is my all-time favorite candle ever. It's this Cactus Blossom. It's literally the best smelling one. So this one I get from my kitchen. I don't know how to describe the smell, but I feel like it's a little fruity and a little sweet. It's just the perfect mixture and the perfect candle to put in your kitchen. It's really strong and it'll make your whole kitchen smell so good. So this one's for my kitchen and look how cute the color is. And then I got this one for my room to actually put right over here. So I have this little section right here. I just needed a cute little simple candle to put, and this candle smells so good. I've never had this one before. I've never like bought this one before, and it just smells really good. And they had a deal for 2 of these for $20, so I got 2 of these. And then I got this candle right here, the Rose Water and Ivy. So this one smells like a really good perfume. It doesn't even smell like a candle. It just smells like a really rich perfume. So I need to figure out where I'm gonna put this one. So that's the last candle that I got. And then I really wanted some of these just to like keep around my house, just to keep it smelling good when I don't have the candles on. There are these little wallflowers. And then I got 2 of these actually. These little wallflower things are very cheap. This was like $5 and these were $7.50 and they smell so good. And I heard they're really strong from Bath and Body Works, so I'm excited to see, because I usually get the ones from Meijer, just like the Febreze smelling ones, and I wanted something that just smelled really good and different. And this smells amazing. They have this in a candle, so, and it smelled really good, so I figured this will make the whole house smell good. So yeah, that's all I got from Bath and Body Works. So the last thing I'm gonna do today is actually work out. I finally got the okay to work out from my doctors after not really being able to for like a month and a half. So my husband got me this little, I don't know what it's called. It's not a punching bag, but it's like this ball that you kind of punch. It's an arm workout. And I really love boxing, and they said I was able to do that. I'm gonna walk and I'm gonna just do some like arm workouts and get a little sweaty. And then I'm gonna shower the spray tan off because I really desperately need a new one. But that's really it for my day vlog. It's, what time is it now? It's about like 5:30 now. So I'm gonna just do that for the rest of the day, eat, hang out with my husband, and edit this video and upload it. But this was really fun to vlog just like my day. And if you guys are interested in these type of videos, comment down below and let me know and give it a thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.